You can see all the workouts in this course on Amazon and wellnessplus.tv. Hey, it's Hannah from VeganaHannah. Welcome to a 10-minute HIIT workout for beautiful sculpted abs. HIIT training boosts your metabolism and keeps you burning calories even when you're done working out. Plus, these are my favorite exercises to really reach and target all of those muscles in my core. So for this workout, I have the interval timer right here and you can follow along at home. All you need is a comfortable place to be or a nice yoga mat. Let's do a short demo of what the movements are going to be. First, we're going to do a runner's crunch. You're going to lie flat and pop up, touch your toe with the opposite arm to leg. We'll alternate the other side and that'll be your first movement. The second movement will be a leg lift with an extra raise. So you'll start flat, raise the legs, and reach up, just like that. And let's start with the easier option for you. Just come up and touch your shin, opposite arm to leg. If you want a challenge, go ahead, come all the way up. Really target those obliques. And rest. Get ready for leg lifts. And start. Another option, one leg at a time. And if that's good for you, go ahead and do two with an extra lift at the top. Really get those lower abs. And breathe. And rest. Now we repeat. Get ready and go. It's a short rest period, so don't get too comfortable. And try to go the full length of time, even if you get tired. Almost halfway. Get ready and start. Lift up. Nice and controlled when you come down. Breathe in and out. Don't forget to breathe. One more. Rest. Halfway there. So remember, the core is the foundation of strength in your body. So we really want to push it when we're doing these exercises. Let's go. Really use that momentum and power yourself up. Push. There you go. One more. Rest. Keep breathing, even if it's hard. Get ready, leg lifts. Up and squeeze. Breathe in and out. In and out. Feel that whole core working. One more. And rest. Last round, you're almost there. Don't give up now. Get ready. Even more than before. How much can you push yourself? There you go. Power up. Try not to regress here. All right, last time. You got this. Get ready. Really push it. Up, reach towards the sky with those feet. This way you get the full range of motion, full length of the muscle working. Maximum results. Good job. That's the first half. Now let's go over your next set of movements. For this next round of Tabata, we're gonna do a side plank with a crunch. So, go ahead and get on your side. You can put one knee down and one leg out. Reach that arm and then take the elbow to the knee. Reach and squeeze the core. Really think about the muscle moving. If that's easy for you, go ahead and come up all the way. Reach and tuck that top leg. And we're gonna alternate sides as we go. All right, let's get ready to do this. 3 seconds. Starting with the first modification. Reach, extend, and tuck. Really think about that mind to muscle connection. Focus on that core engagement. Reach, tuck, breathe in and out. Almost there, and rest. Now switch sides. You can just flip over, but so you can see me, I'm gonna switch. Get ready, extend, and tuck. All the way up with those hips if you can. And having to balance will help increase that core engagement. Reach, tuck. Almost there, keep it up. And rest, catch your breath. Make sure to push till the very end of the movement and don't give up. Round 3, here we go. In and out, breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Reach, squeeze. Here we're working so many muscles. And down. Other side, almost halfway. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Really extend that leg. Really feel that lower leg stabilizing the whole body. Almost there. Doing great. Squeeze, reach. Halfway. You're so close. 3/4 done with this whole workout. Get ready and go. Reach. See how high you can lift those hips? You should feel your glutes working here. Extend. Breathe. Stay high. Keep that shoulder strong. There you go. A few more rounds. You got this. Go up and start. Tuck, reach. Kind of curve your body and really get the full length of the obliques. There you go. So close. All right, 2 more rounds. This is where your form can get sloppy, but we're not gonna do that today. Tuck, extend. If your form starts to suffer, you can always modify. Halfway, 10 seconds. There you go. So if you're not able to do it, lower that leg. Always important to keep that form there. Get ready, last time, and go. Tuck, reach. And if you haven't tried it off your legs, maybe try it this time. See what your body's capable of. Almost there, keep pushing, you're so close. 3, 2, 1. And you're done. Good job. That was tough. Thank you so much for working out with me. Y'all did great today. Remember, for sculpted abs, you really want to focus on cardio, so I hope you join me in my total body cardio workout also in this series. And for more information about me, go ahead and find my Instagram and website down in the description box. So I hope you have a great rest of your day, and thanks for joining me. Competing as a natural bodybuilder has challenged me to learn the best moves for sculpting and shaping the entire body. Adding in the HIIT training component keeps you burning fat for 24 to 36 hours after your workout so you can see results fast. Woo! I'm burning, I don't know about you. These are the moves that helped me win natural bodybuilding competitions, and now I'm teaching these moves to you. My course is available on Amazon and wellnessplus.tv at the links in the video description below.